Hey guys, today I'm working with an Amana 1-year-old washer and electric dryer matching set, and right now I've got it filling up with water. Got a pretty heavy jeans and towel load. I went ahead and bypassed the lid switch by taking this switch off, sticking it here, so when this locks up we'll still be able to open it up and show you that it's running nice, smooth, all that. So the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfectly before it leaves my care or gets listed up for sale. So kind of as if you were standing here testing it out yourself. That's the purpose of these videos. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work perfectly. So we're going to let it go ahead and fill up, and I'll come back and show you that it's washing, that the water drains out, and then on that final spin that it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. So we'll allow it to kind of finish up here and we'll come back. Alright, so we've done filling up with water, full submersion, which is great on these HE machines, and you can see it's agitating perfectly. So we'll let it finish on the wash cycle and we'll come back essentially for the final spin at this point, where I'll let you hear it drain and then you can see it spinning nice and fast. Alright guys, and we just moved into the final spin. You can hear it draining that water out. You know, the drain is working perfectly, and it actually drains, spins, and then it repeats the cycle, so it does a really good job of getting the water out of those clothes, and of course it has a really fast spin on it also. So where that saves you time and money is it's going to, say your clothes come out twice as light as a traditional style washer, so it cuts your drying time in half. So it's going to save you some time and money there. We'll let this guy get up to full speed, and then we'll lift this lid up and show you that it's been nice and smooth. Alright, and we're up to speed. So it's spinning with the drain running. I'll show you here, it's spinning nice and fast. And you can see that it's a nice smooth operation. Of course, what you check for is make sure there's no weird noises or it's off balance or anything like that. As you can see, it's running great. I'm going to let this finish up, then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and I'll show you that the dryer works perfectly. Alright guys, now I've got that load of clothes moved over here to the dryer. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. We'll just put it on time dry for high heat and hit go. As you can see, it's nice smooth operation. Sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to as well. So we've got my surface temperature gun right between those two red dots. It's going to take a surface measurement, Fahrenheit. Kind of a difference here between the top of the dryer and the floor. So we'll open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of there. And essentially, right behind this tube down here is where the heating element is. Pushes the heat up through here, circulates, and then goes out that tube over there. But the inside of your dryer is going to get about 95 all the way up to 195, and that just kind of depends on what you have your heat setting at. But otherwise, that's how that works. So you can see, heating perfectly. We'll go ahead and let those finish up. But that's going to be it on these guys. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Thanks.